friends, it's Miss Leslie at the Everett Public Library. Let's have some fun with Preschool Storytime. Welcome back. Let's see what is in my Storytime apron. I'll put it over my head. Here's the first pocket. Oh, I see what it is. It's a song. It goes like this. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is there sun? That's right. It's a cloudy day today. Shall we have some stories about weather? Oh, there's more. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it windy? Is it snowy? Is there rain or is there sun? We had some snow this year, didn't we? Did you get to go out and play in it? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is there rain or is there sun? If it's windy, do you like to go fly a kite? I like to get outside even when it's windy. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it windy? Is it rainy? Are there clouds or is there sun? Sometimes we have rain here, don't we? Okay, one more. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Or is there sun? Yeah, it's nice to have a sunny day, isn't it? Let's have some stories about weather, the kind of weather we have around this neighborhood. Sometimes it does get wet and watery. This is a book called Watersong. It is by Tim McCanna. And it is published by Simon & Schuster. We're reading it with their permission. Watersong. Who's looking at the water, at the rain? Can you see that? Yeah, little fox. Let's find out what happens. Watersong. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Pitter, patter, pat. Sprinkle, splutter, splatter. Twinkle. Spitter, spatter, splat. Splish, splosh, swish, slosh. Squish, squelch, glop. Trickle, dribble, gurgle, babble, bubble. Pop. Gush, rush, splash, crash. Wish, wash, wham. Lash, whirl, bash, swirl. Hish, slash, slam. Whoosh, sigh. Whoosh, sigh. Sprout, bloom, grow. Ripple, shimmer, tumble, glimmer. Sparkle, glitter, glow. The sun came out. That was a fun one with fun words in it. Watersong. Hip, hip, hooray, we read a book today. Let's do this now. Let's get our fingers out and we'll go, the rain will fall down. Can you do that with me? Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. You can clap your hands. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Rain is falling down, splash. Let's do it again. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter, pitter patter, rain is falling down. Splash! All right, let's take these away and let's do our minute for math. We like to do some counting, don't we? So here is one little cloud sailing in the blue. Along comes another cloud, a pink one, and then there are two. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 little clouds coming, and now there are more. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. One cloud floats away happily. How many are left? You see them. 1, 2, 3. Now here come 3 more to join the mix. 1, 2, 3. Shall we count those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's upside down, I think. 5 clouds float away to visit the sun. And now there's just one left. Just one. A pink cloud. It must be sunset. Sometimes the clouds get pink at sunrise and sunset. That's fun to count things and take them away, count them, add more. All right, let's read one more book, and it is called, Are You Ready to Play Outside? You know, this is by Mo Willems. We're reading it with permission from the author, Mo Willems. Are you ready to play outside? Elephant and Piggy are in this book. I love these books. It's sunny. Are you ready to play outside? Da-da-da! Piggy! Gerald! Are you ready to play outside? Yes, yes, yes. Can't turn the page. We are going to do everything today. We are going to run. We are going to skip. And we are going to jump. To turn cartwheels too, huh? Nothing can stop us. Plink. What fell on Piggy? Oh no! It is starting to rain. It is raining. It is pouring. It is really pouring. I have never seen so much rain in my life. I do not like rain. I am not a happy pig. What? What happened? Oh, thank you, Gerald. Do you see what Gerald did? Gerald's like an umbrella for Piggy, huh? But it is still raining. Grrr. How can anyone play outside with all this rain? Rain, yay! You see who's saying that? The worms. They like the rain. Splish! Splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish. Those little worms are splish splashing in the rain. They're having fun, says Gerald. Maybe we could have fun too. We can try, says Piggy. Splash in a puddle. That is fun. This is great. Let's play. Run, run, run. Skip, skip, skip. Jump, jump, jump. I love the rain. I hope it rains all day. sun came out. Now I like rain, and now the rain has stopped. I am not a happy pig. Do not worry, Piggy. I have a plan. Rain! Why did it rain again? Elephants make the best friends. Do you see what Gerald is doing? Yay! Here's a pigeon. Are you ready to play outside? That was a fun book. I loved it. All right. I think it's time for the word of the day. Do you think so? Or let's do this first. Let's do this. Let's do this. We're going to take some cherries and put them in a pot. Can you make a pot? And stir them and stir them and stir them a lot. Now what do? Pour it out. What will it be? The prettiest red you ever did see. Now let's take some oranges and put it in a pot and stir it and stir it. Stir it a lot. Pour it out, and what do you see? The prettiest orange you ever did see. Take some lemons and put them in a pot. Stir them and stir them and stir them a lot. Pour them out. What do you see? The prettiest yellow you ever did see. Take some leaves and put them in a pot. Stir them and stir them and stir them a lot. Pour them out. What do you see? The prettiest green you ever did see. Take some blueberries, put them in a pot. Stir them and stir them and stir them a lot. Pour them out. What do you see? The prettiest blue you ever did see. Take some grapes, put them in a pot. Stir them and stir them and stir them a lot. Pour them out. What do you see? The prettiest purple you ever did see. What do you get when the sun comes out after the rain? Sometimes there's a rainbow, and that is a pretty thing to see. All right, now it's time for the word of the day. We'll get it out of our library box. What could the word of the day be? Oh, here's the first letter. It's a R. It goes R. That's the pirate's favorite letter. Here's the first letter of the alphabet. You know this one? A. It sounds like ah, ah, ah. Here's the tiny little I. E. Sometimes it sounds like E. And here, an N. N, n, n. What is this word? Rain. Rain. That's the word of the day, rain. Oh, wonderful. Thanks for visiting me with Preschool Storytime. I'll see you next time. In the meantime, stay safe and have fun. Bye-bye.